Oh, stop.
Okay. Help me. Okay, look. Hi. We're going to do an unboxing video. We're doing it differently today. Hopefully, you guys aren't too silly.
We are.
Okay. So, do not open your box till I come over to you. This box was opened by I don't know who, but we're going to look at the books and then we'll ooh and ah and then look at the others.
Ooh,
Okay.
And Miss Love is gonna
Sometimes
smell them.
why, guys?
And Miss Love is gonna smell them too. You know. That's just her habit.
Only some of them.
Let me see
Okay.
if my anime.
And then you hold it.
Like over?
Okay, so the first one, bleach. Next,
You dropped something.
I want to see something.
I don't know, a silent voice. Okay. Naruto. Bleach. So a lot of these are, guys, so they can hear me, chill. A lot of these are manga books to increase our graphic novel manga section. We also have Warriors, which were student recommendations. This one I don't remember, Bad Unicorn, so I have to look that up, another Warrior. So thank you. So you can put them inside your box again. Thank you. Okay.
Best box of them all.
Yes, open it.
Watch, I want to do this.
I don't need you. No, I don't. Yeah, I told you, my box is the heaviest.
I'll take
See
it.
what book is in.
Okay, so say the book. Middle school.
You, middle school, escaped to Australia.
Okay, and then hand it off.
Australia.
You can put it on your whole. Now, Denise, you're already gonna do a box.
I'm just putting it over
No,
here.
it's fine.
He just gave it to me.
Okay.
You have it here.
Show it to them and say it.
A story like the wind. Ooh.
Don't
That's
kiss
like a
it.
graphic
I didn't
novel.
kiss it.
Okay.
You gotta smell it.
Trickled.
Can you say it so they can hear you?
Trickled. Ooh.
It's tricked.
Trick. Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
Okay. Do I need to
The
do
goddess test.
this? Okay. And that goes with tricked. So those two are part of the fairy tale series.
I'm gonna check
That
this
looks
book out.
cool.
She's a Bumblebee and the Superhero High, my book.
Okay.
Yeah, Jimmy's book.
So done. Ooh.
I might have to help you out because the bell's about to ring.
Whoa.
Actually, quick.
I don't know how to say that, but that's a cool
I'm
book.
so
Nura Rise of the Yokai.
Yokai.
Yokai Clan.
Clan.
That's mine.
Nora Rise of the Yokai Clan.
I ordered that.
Another of the same book.
Yes.
Woo.
Love it.
Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball.
Okay.
Yes, I ordered that for you guys. You're welcome. I
More
am
Dragon
so
Ball.
done with
Wizard
these
for
books.
Hire.
Okay. Let me see the cover real quick.
It's taking a really
Okay.
long time.
Ooh.
Baby Mouse, the musical.
That's for Jimmy.
Briar Rose.
And this is part of the fairy tales section as well.
Call dibs on these.
Monica and the Weekend of Drama.
Call dibs on both the three of us.
Rachel Vale.
Actually, no. I think it's called Well, That Was Awkward.
Well, that was awkward. Mud.
Oh, I don't remember that one at all. This is weird. I can't remember too many of these. Oh.
Newt's Emerald.
I can't. I really can't.
So much books. Go help him out, Ian.
Come on.
Oh, amulets!
We had that one. It was lost or never returned. Okay.
In a handful of dust.
Okay, and that's part of the survival post-apocalyptic literature series.
The X and Y.
I didn't open it.
This is math related.
Hilo.
Hilo.
Saving the whole wide world.
And I think that's part of the Black Eyed series. Black Eyed Peas series.
The Time Museum.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So
Fun.
I didn't see it.
Magnus Chase.
The gods of Asgard.
Yeah.
And it's the ship. of
Thor!
the dead.
Let me see.
Hold on.
What's that?
Come on.
Technical
I'm gonna have to do it. I'll do it.
Oof, man.
Let me do another book.
I might have to contact the company. There's a little something on our book.
Another
but
book.
what's it
Middle
called?
school.
I
Middle
have to take-
Dang!
I'll do
Middle
it. I'll
school.
do it.
Dog's best friend.
Okay, that's fun. What's that book name?
Ooh.
The Night Diary.
Okay.
It looks like my diary.
Similars.
I don't know that one at all, but it sounds good.
Really fun book.
Oh,
Yeah. No, no one saw that. Cloaked in red.
Okay, that's part of the fairy tale series.
Jackie Haha.
Okay.
Aha.
The one safe place.
Okay.
Looks like a fun book.
Yeah, which is my house.
Better off undead.
I remember good things about that one.
Ghost Boys.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Are you really excited or are you just being silly? Oh, I thought he was really excited.
The confidence code for girls. Because boys don't need that. Monica and the unbeatable bed. What am I doing? Ancient. What?
I don't even know that.